Children, let us solve the exercise 2.3, which is based on the similarity of triangle. The first question is, state which pairs of triangles in the figures are similar. Write the similarity criteria used for answering the question, and also write the pairs of similar triangles in the symbol form. And the first pairs of triangles, in triangle ABC and triangle PQR, angle A and angle P are 60 degrees and they are equal. Angle B and angle Q are 80 degrees and they are equal. Angle C and angle R are 40 degrees, so they are equal. So here you can conclude this: triangle ABC and triangle PQR are similar triangles according to the AAA similarity criteria. Therefore, you can write that triangle ABC is similar to triangle PQR. So, you write, in triangle ABC and triangle PQR, angle A is equals to angle P, angle B is equals to angle Q, and angle C is equals to angle R. Here they are equals to 60 degree. This angle B and angle Q are equals to 80 degree, and angle C and angle R are equals to 40 degree. Therefore, you can write triangle ABC is similar to triangle PQR. The criteria is here AAA similarity criteria. AAA similarity criteria. Second pair of triangles, triangle ABC and triangle PQR. Here the sides are given, and sides are given means check whether the corresponding sides are in proportion or not, whether the sides are proportional or not, that you have to verify. And you know that if the sides are proportional means according to the SSS similarity criteria, you can write the triangle ABC is similar to triangle PQR. So write, you know that here the ratio in triangle ABC and triangle PQR. Here you know that double of 2 is 4, double of 3 is 6, and double of 2.5 is 5. So there is a chance of getting the ratios which are equal. So you take AB by QR. AB by QR is equals to 2 by 4, that is equals to 1 by 2. Next, BC by PR, that is 2.5 by 5, that is also, you know that becomes 25 by 50 if you remove the decimal point, and that is equals to 1 by 2. Next, AC by PQ, here AC is 3, PQ is 6, so you got 1 by 2. So what you can observe here, therefore you got AB by QR is equals to BC by PR is equals to AC by PQ. Therefore, you can write triangle ABC is similar to triangle PQR. Criteria is here SSS similarity criteria. Here the criteria used is SSS similarity criteria. Third pairs of triangles are triangle LMP and triangle DEF. Here the measurement of sides are given. Again you verify the proportionality and check whether the sides are proportional or not. And here you know that 3 2s are 6, 2 2s are 4 is there, but 2.7 is there, 5 is there. So there is no chance of getting the same ratio. So here you can say that we will have MP by DE is equals to 2 by 4, that is 1 by 2. and then LP by DF is also equals to 3 by 6, that is also 1 by 2. That is D LP by DF. Next, LM by remaining side is here EF, that is 2.7 by 5 it is. It is not equals to 1 by 2. Therefore, you can say that here these two triangles are not similar. Triangle LMP and triangle DEF are not similar. Not similar. Next pairs of triangles are triangle LMN and triangle PQR. Observe the triangles here. In the first triangle, angle M is given, and in the second triangle, angle Q is given. They are having same measurement, and the sides included are here MN and ML, they are given, and in triangle PQR, the included sides PQ and QR are given. According to the SAS similarity criteria, the two sides are in proportion and the included angle are equal or not, that you have to verify. Now it is given that, right, by observing you can conclude that here 5 is the double of 2.5 and 10 is the double of 5, and angle M and angle Q are same, having same measurement here. Both of them are 70 degree. Therefore, you write in triangle LMN and triangle PQR. In triangle LMN and triangle PQR, so here you take the ratio of the sides, that is MN by PQ. The ratio is here 2.5 by 5, that is equals to 25 by 50 and 1 by 2 it is. Next, LM by QR. LM is 5 and QR is 10, that is also 1 by 2. And you can observe that angle M is equals to angle Q. Both are equals to 70 degree. So here you verify the SAS similarity criteria, that is two sides are proportional and angle between them are also equal. Therefore, you can write therefore triangle LMN is similar to triangle PQR. The criteria used is here SAS similarity criteria. Next pairs of triangles, triangle ABC and triangle DEF. Observe the triangles here. In the first triangle ABC, angle A is given, that is 80 degree, and in the second triangle DEF, angle F is given, that is also 80 degree. They are equal. But here the other two angles are not given, so you can't use the AAA similarity criteria, and only two pairs of sides are given, so you can't use the SSS similarity criteria. But here two sides are given. If two sides are given means verify is it possible to use the SAS similarity criteria. In the first triangle, angle A is given, and to use the SAS similarity criteria, the sides AB and AC must be known. So here AC is not given, but BC is given. In the second figure, the sides DF and EF are given, that is the included sides of the angle F, which is given, that is 80 degree. So here, as AC is not given, you can't use the SA similarity criteria, and also you can clear that these two triangles are not similar. Triangle ABC and triangle DEF are not similar triangles. Next pairs of triangles, triangle DEF and triangle PQR. Here, in both the triangles, two angles are given. In triangle DEF, angle D is given, that is 70 degree, and angle E is also given, that is 80 degree, and triangle PQR, angle Q is given, that is 80 degree, and angle R is given, that is 30 degree. And in triangle DF and angle F can be find out. You know that angle F is equals to what? 180 minus sum of the other two angles, that is 70 plus 80. So 180 minus 150 you will get, that is 30 degree. So here this is 30 degree. And next, in this triangle, angle P is equals to 180 minus sum of the other two angles, that is 80 plus 30. So it is 180 minus 110, which is equals to 70 degree. And after getting all the angles, here you can verify the AAA similarity criteria and check the pairs of angles here. So you know that here angle D and angle P are 70 degree, they are equal. Angle E and angle Q are 80 degree, which are equal. And angle F and angle R are 30 degree, and they are equal. So you can use the AAA similarity criteria, and you can show that triangle DEF and triangle PQR are similar triangles. So you write, in triangle DEF and triangle PQR, here angle D is equals to angle P, both are equals to 70 degree. Angle E is equals to angle Q, both are equals to 80 degree. Angle F is equals to angle R, both are equals to 30 degree. And you know that here, therefore, triangle DEF is similar to triangle PQR. The criteria used is here. You know that three corresponding angles are equal. Therefore, the criteria is AAA similarity criteria. See the question number 2. It is given that in figure 2.35, triangle ODC is similar to triangle OBA. Angle BOC is equals to 125 degree and angle CDO is equals to 70 degree. Find angle DOC, angle DCO and angle OEB. Here already given that, what is given? Given that triangle ODC is similar to triangle OBA. Means here their corresponding angles are equal. That is, angle O is equals to angle O and angle D is equals to angle B and angle C is equals to angle A. In order, you must take this, because triangle ODC is similar to triangle OBA means their corresponding angles are equal. Here you take the angles in the order, and you know that angle O is equals to angle O, and angle D is equals to angle B, and angle C is equals to angle A. Now take any one triangle and find the angles of that triangle, and if you consider the triangle DOC, here one angle is given, that is angle ODC, and also the angle BOC is given, and by using that angle BOC you will get the angle DOC by using linear pair. So you take in triangle ODC, angle D is given, that is angle ODC is given, that is 70 degree, that is given here. Next, angle DOC is equals to 180 minus 125 degree. Why? Here angle DOC and angle BOC are the adjacent angle, and that is a linear pair. Their sum is 180 degree because DOB is a straight line. Therefore, to get angle DOC, you subtract 125 by 180 degree. Therefore, angle DOC is equals to 180 minus 125 degree, that is 55 degree. And the remaining angle DCO, that you can get by using the angle sum property of the triangle. You know that sum of three angles of a triangle is equals to 180 degree. So here 180 minus sum of the other two angles, that is 180 minus 70 plus 55, because it is 55. So 180 minus 70 plus 55, that is equals to 180 minus 125 degree. So therefore angle DCO is equals to, it is also 55 degree. Or you can use the exterior angles also, because here COB becomes, that is BOC becomes the exterior angle to the triangle DOC. Exterior angle is equals to sum of interior opposite angle. So 70 plus 55 is 125. In that way also you will get angle DCO, that is equals to 55 degree. Next one, angle OAB. Here you know that OAB, angle A is equals to angle C, that is angle A means angle OAB. Angle OAB is equals to this angle C. C and A are equal here. C angle means here, that is angle DCO. Angle DCO, because you know that the corresponding angles of similar triangles are equal. Corresponding, here that is a reason, because corresponding angles of similar triangles are equal. By giving that reason, you can write angle OAB is equals to angle DCO. Here in order you will get angle A and angle C. So angle OAB is equals to angle DCO. So as angle DCO is equals to 50 degree, therefore angle OAB is also 55 degree. Angle DCO is equals to 55 degree. So angle OAB is also 55 degree. In this way you got the angles DOC. Here DOC is 55 degree and angle DCO, that is also 55 degree. Third question, diagonals AC and BD of a trapezium ABCD with AB parallel to DC intersect each other at the point O. Using similarity criterion for two triangles, show that OA by OC is equals to OB by OD. It is given that ABCD is a trapezium in which AB parallel to DC, and the diagonals AC and BD intersect at O. So let us note down that. In trapezium ABCD, AB parallel to DC, diagonals AC and BD, intersect at O. Intersect at O. Now we have to prove that OA by OC is equals to OB by OD. Here very simple, you take these two triangles. In triangle AOB and triangle COD, and prove that they are similar. After that you will get that the ratios of the corresponding sides are equal. So first you prove that they are similar by proving that their two triangles are equiangular. So you write the names of the two triangles. In a triangle AOB and triangle COD. Here in triangle AOB and triangle COD. And you know that angle O, that is angle AOB and angle DOC are vertically opposite angles. They must be equal. And you know that angle A, that is angle BAO, must be equals to angle OCD, as they are alternate angles made by the transversal AC of parallel lines AB and DC. Similarly, angle ABO must be equals to angle ODC, the same region. Here AB parallel to DC, DB is a transversal of parallel lines, and these two are angle ABO and angle ODC are alternate angles. So they must be equal. So you write the equal angles here. Angle AOB is equals to angle COD. Angle AOB is equals to angle COD. Reason you can give vertically opposite angles. Vertically opposite angles. Next, angle BAO or OAB. Angle OAB is equals to angle OCD, and also angle OBA or ABO. ABO is equals to angle CDO. So for these two, you can give the reason alternate angles. They are the alternate angles made by the transversal of AB parallel to DC. Here AB parallel to DC, these two are the pairs of alternate angles made by the transversal. So you got here three pairs of corresponding angles are equals. According to AAA similarity criterion, you can write that. Therefore, you can write triangle AOB. Triangle AOB is similar to triangle COD. Triangle COD. Here you can verify, you know that angle A, this C is equals to angle A and angle C are equal. Angle A, angle O and angle O, vertically opposite angle, and angle B and angle D. Here A and C one pair, and B and D another pair of alternate angles, and angle AOB, COD are vertically opposite angles. This way you can write the equal angles in the order while writing the similar triangles. So here which criterion used? AAA, similarity criterion. A similarity criterion. And you need the ratio here. You know that once you prove that the triangles are similar means you can write the ratio of the corresponding sides. Here you know that AO by CO or OC is equals to BO by DO, because here you know that in order you can take AO by CO and OB by OD. Like this way, if you write the angles in the order, you will get the sides also in the order. So here you know that the angles opposite to the equal sides and the sides opposite to the equal angles becomes the corresponding part here. See here, angle BAO is equals to angle OCD. So the side opposite to these equal angles are OB and OD. So you got OB by OD here. And in this case, here angle ABO is equals to angle COD. The side opposite to this angle is this one, that is AO, and side opposite to angle, this angle is CO. So you got AO by CO here. Or in the, after writing the triangles vertices in order, you can write the ratios of the corresponding sides easily. Here a triangle AOB similar to triangle COD means you can write AO by CO is equals to BO by OD. Here you got AO by OC is equals to BO by DO. The reason is here sides of similar triangles are proportional. Sides of similar triangles are proportional. The reason is this one. See the fourth question. In the figure 2.36, QR by QS is equals to QT by PR and angle 1 is equals to angle 2. Show that triangle PQS is similar to triangle TQR. So here what is given? Given that QR by QS is equals to QT by PR and angle 1 is equals to angle 2. This is given. Here angle 1 means angle PQS or PQR and angle 2 means angle PRQ. So you take the triangle PRQ. In triangle PQR or PRQ, in triangle PQR, angle 1 is equals to angle 2. Angle 1 given, what is given here? Given angle 1 is equals to angle 2. Therefore, here you know that in triangle PQR, angle 1 means angle Q is equals to angle PRQ. And as two angles are equal means sides opposite to equal angles are equal. Therefore, the sides opposite to angle 1 and angle 2 are PQ and PR. That is, side opposite to angle 1 is PR. Side opposite to angle 2 is, that is, PQ. Now you consider this is first. And in the given ratio, that is given, what is given here? QR by QS is equals to QT by PR. In the place of PR, you write PQ. That implies QR by QS is equals to QT by PQ. QT by PQ. Consider this is second. Now you go to prove triangle PQS is similar to triangle TQR. So write the names of that two triangles. In triangle PQS and triangle TQR. So one thing you got, one here, QR by QS is equals to QT by QP. Here, what is that? You got that QR by QS is equals to QT by PQ. QT by PQ. The ratio you got here. See here, this is from second. Now here, you know that the triangle PQS is first, triangle TQR is here. Therefore, you write it is QS by QR is equals to QP by QT. So triangle PQS and triangle TQR you have taken. Therefore, you write the reciprocals of the ratio, that is QS by QR is equals to QP by QT. And you know that here there is QS and QP. QS and QP is the included sides of the angle 1, and also QT and QR is also the included sides of the angle 1, and angle 1 is the angle of both the triangles. Angle 1 is the angle of triangle PQS, and it is also the angle of the triangle TQR. Therefore, you can consider angle 1 is equals to angle 1, that is angle Q is equals to angle Q, or you can write angle PQS is equals to angle TQR. Angle PQS is equals to angle TQR, as both are angle 1, and that is made by the sides PQ and QS, and also by TQ and RQ. So here this becomes the included angle of the sides of the triangle PQS and TQR, which are in the same proportion. So here, that is the reason you can give common angle. This is the common angle of the both the triangle. So you got here, these are the SS, this is A. So according to SA similarity criteria, you can write, therefore triangle PQS is similar to triangle TQR. The reason is SAS similarity criterion. SAS similarity criterion. That is two sides and included angle of one triangle, and all the two sides and included angle of the other triangle. Here two pairs of sides in the same proportion, and their included angles are also equal. So according to SA similarity criterion, here you got triangle PQS similar to triangle TQR. Next, fifth question. S and T are the points on the sides of PR and QR of triangle PQR such that angle P is equals to angle RTS. Show that triangle RPQ is similar to triangle RTS. Now you have the rough sketch of the given figure. Now here you have taken the triangle PQR and we got a point S on PR and T on QR. S and T are joined here. Now what you have to prove? Triangle RPQ is similar to triangle RTS. And here given that angle P is equals to angle RTS. So you write the names of the two triangle and use any one of the criteria and prove that the triangle RPQ is similar to triangle RTS. First you write the names here. In triangle, it is a solution, right or not? In triangle RPQ and triangle RTS. Here you know that this angle R is the angle of the triangle RPQ and also it is the angle of the triangle RTS. So you can write angle R means angle PRQ or R. Here you can write angle PRQ is equals to angle TRS. That is TRS or SRT. You write TRS. Reason, that is only one angle, that is the common angle. You can take here common angle. That is one angle is the angle of both the triangle. So you can consider it as a common angle. And one more angle is given, that is angle P is equals to angle RTS. That is given here. It is given. So here you got AA. Directly you can write, therefore triangle RPQ is similar to triangle RTS according to AA similarity criteria. Because you know that AAA can be written as AA also, because in two triangles, if two pairs of corresponding angles are equal, means third pairs becomes automatically equal. Therefore, you can write it as AA similarity criterion. AA similarity criterion. So you got the result that triangle RPQ is similar to triangle RTS.